You see guys, our status on the very top headline. The left 8,700 distance with 7,900 speed. Us 14,800 distance and 100 speed. On the right 23,000 distance and 22,900 speed. Okay, you see, I already collected each more than 40 magic stones. I just have to wait for this one will be show up. The level ups for that beam. Don't worry about the others, just focus on the distance. I'm still waiting to show up here. This one will be show up here. I'm still waiting. I'm just focused on that thing. After I do that, and then I will do this again or this again. I don't care about this one or this one. I don't care. Okay? It doesn't matter. The only priority is our distance. The more we have the number of this one, distance, the closer we get to the winning. Okay, this came up. Okay, you do that. There. You see now? You see? This raise up quite fast. Okay? Oh, this one. Oh. I love to. Okay, that's the most important. And this already reached 300. If you feel cannot complete this, don't do this again. Just do this one. It's okay, right? Because you don't want to waste your magic coins, magic stones just for nothing, or even your gold coins. Because if you cannot complete this 300, don't do that. Oh gosh. Well, our boss do that. I don't know if I want to do that also. I'm afraid I'm just gonna wasting my magic stones. I'm not quite sure. You see, still needs 200, or at least less than 200 to do this one. You see? Isn't that quite wasting, you know? I mean, if you don't feel sure enough that you can reach level 2, don't do that, you know? Because it's just gonna wasting your magic stones. You better do it on just the regular beams. This one. Yeah? This one is the most important. You see, on the time resets, it all went to, you know, went to zero again. You're just wasting your magic stones. You better be doing this. Instead, the time's already, less than 9 minutes. Understand what I mean? I just want to say that we need to think carefully if you want to do the level ups or upgrades. Yes, I better be doing this. See, that's much more appropriate to do. But it seems that our freaking enemy on the right side, yeah, that freaking enemy here, their boss doing, top-ups with gold coins. So even though we see there are no members here, but actually there is maybe just one or two behind. They're doing with the gold coins top-ups. So what the heck, I mean, every time if you want to start this train race, all our priority is focused on this, okay, and this also, but only to 100. I mean the first level only, because if you don't have enough magic stones to the level 2, if you don't have, for our total member who attend this race, 300 magic stones, so it would be wasting, it would just wasting your magic stones. See, I don't want to add this one because I don't have, I don't have enough to do the 100. You see, even though if I want to wait to make it 100, it will already be too late because of the time, so I'm just keep focusing doing this. It's okay. This is not matter, this not matter, the speed don't matter, even our speed is 0, not matter. The matter thing is this is the main focus, the main priority. See, now is, wow, 4 times now. You see, you have to start again from the 0 because you don't have enough magic stones. But sometimes we just don't know when that 4 times level ups for the beam came out, that's why I collected from the start, from the very beginning, the magic stones, for waiting this motherfucker showing up. But now it's too late already because I already mostly used my magic stones. And I don't have enough gold coins also to buy them, to buy this one, magic stones. So what can I say? There, I just helped one. Well, let's just be our lesson for today, I mean, there, go again. Nah. Let's see, can you reach 100? If maybe some of you have gold coins, you better do that to reach this 100 magic stones for at least level 1 to level 2, that's all, to fulfill that. You need more magic stones, and after that you don't have to do level upgrade again to level 3. Oh yes, don't do that because that would be so much wasting your magic stones. But if you're willing to and you have the magic coins to do that also, or even with the gold coins, well, if you want to do that, do that. It's gonna cost 300 magic stones, or aka 300 magic gold coins, if you don't have magic stones. The time also only 3 minutes, and then refresh. You see, that's just wasting, you already wasted more than how much that, how much were that, more than 20 magic stones. You just wasting like that. It's useless, useless. I mean, if you don't sure, don't do that. Just wasting your magic stones. You better be just keep focusing on this one, this small little thing, you know not level up, only ordinary beam. Yeah. Now, well, I'm just sadly have to say that we're gonna lost tonight's battle because the time already, less than 3 minutes, and this freaking on the right enemy, this one already reached then more than 30,000 distance. Congrats for them. Yeah, because yeah, they were smart and rich. Yeah, what can I say? Well, sometimes fucked up, the world is sucks. Well, don't worry, tomorrow never dies. So, alright, that's just my little explanation from the facts that you have seen. So, good luck for the next battle, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, comments, and share this my video blog. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day. Wasted.